Ready to save some money on your Universal Orlando vacation? Hey Dreamers, we're here at Universal Orlando Resort and we're actually at Cabana Bay Beach Resort. You guys know this is one of our favorite Universal Orlando hotels. It is an amazing value. And really, that's what our video is all about today. We're gonna share all of the money saving tips that we use on a Universal Orlando vacation. Let's start with tickets. One of the easiest Universal Orlando money-saving tips is pre-order your theme park tickets. The tickets are always more expensive at the front entrance at the Universal parks. Plus, there is usually a long line to purchase your tickets. Check out the Eye in the Sky for the Jones Family Travel's favorite place to pre-order your Universal Orlando tickets. If you're staying at a Disney resort or an Orlando area hotel and want to visit Universal Orlando, we recommend pre-ordering the Universal Orlando park-to-park tickets with shuttle transfers. This ticket includes your theme park tickets at a discount price and round-trip transportation from your hotel to Universal Orlando. You will save money on your tickets and transportation to Universal. We love this ticket for guests that do not have a car but still want to visit Universal Orlando. Check out the Eye in the Sky for our favorite travel company to purchase these exclusive tickets. You can waste a lot of money during your vacation on items you already own, like camera batteries, chargers, umbrellas, sunglasses, and shoes. When you're planning your vacation, take a few minutes and create a packing list before your vacation. That way, you will remember everything you need for your Universal Orlando vacation and not waste extra money on items you already own. Universal Parks have refillable mugs. For one price, you can purchase a mug and get unlimited beverages throughout the day at Coca-Cola Freestyle machines. The meal portions at Universal Orlando are huge. Hunter and I usually eat smaller portions for our meals. When we purchase an adult meal at quick service locations, we never eat the whole meal. We end up giving it to the guys to finish or throw it away. We started ordering kids' meals instead of adult meals. They are smaller portions and a lot less expensive. Our next money-saving tip is a huge one. Be sure you pack a water bottle for your days at the parks. Most of the year, it is warm or hot in Florida. You want to stay hydrated, so drinking a lot of water is important. There are plenty of water stations to fill up your water bottle for free. This tip can save you around $210 during a week vacation. Over the summer months, it rains almost every afternoon in Orlando. An easy way to continue with the fun and save money is packing ponchos or umbrellas. You can throw these in your backpack to continue to play during the rain and afterwards. For a family of 4, this will save you about $40. We love playing mini golf at Universal City Walk on a non-park day or in the evening hours. One of the free activities during mini golf is a scavenger hunt. You can ask for the scavenger hunt when you pick up your golf clubs at the front entrance. Once you complete the scavenger hunt, you can turn in the completed scavenger hunt at the end of your golf game. A team member will give you a scratch off, one for everyone in your party. You can scratch off the cards to see what you won. You can win coupons for another round of golf or a free round of golf. You can redeem your coupons now or save it for the future. We have a stack of coupons that we have been using for years. They never expire. Do you want to be treated as a VIP? You can get front-of-the-line access on rides and attractions at both Universal Orlando parks with something called Universal Express. You can pay for Universal Express or you can get it for free. If you book a premier Universal Orlando resort like Portofino Bay, Hard Rock, or Royal Pacific, you get Universal Express for free. This is a savings up to $600 per day for a family of 4. Besides saving you money, Universal Express can save you up to 6 hours of waiting in lines during a day at one of the Universal Orlando parks. It is an amazing money-saving tip and time-saver tip at Universal Orlando. We love giving our kids gift cards to use for their souvenirs. We add a set amount so they know how much they can spend during their Universal Orlando vacation. If you have a Target nearby, you can purchase Visa, MasterCard, or American Express gift cards at 5% off using Target Red. This is a rewards program for Target when you use a debit or credit card. You may get lucky enough to be selected to participate in the Ollivanders show at the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. This is an amazing experience. At the end of the show, a wizard will take you and your family to the merchandise shop to purchase the wand. You may feel like you need to buy the wand. However, you can just say no. You do not have to purchase the wand from the Ollivanders show. At Universal Orlando, you can turn water into an elixir. Our kids love this inexpensive activity at Diagon Alley at Universal Studios. You can pick your favorite elixir and then pour it into a bottle of water called Gilly Water. The Gilly Water at Wizarding World of Harry Potter is a little expensive for water. It is $5.50 each. We recommend bringing a water bottle from home to use for this experience. You can buy a whole case of water for less than the price of one Gilly Water at Universal Orlando. Our next tip is ask for discounts. You never know what discount you may find at Universal Orlando. Always ask if they offer any discounts. Many of the stores and restaurants are not owned by Universal Orlando, so you may be able to take advantage of a military, first responder, annual pass holder, or Florida resident discount. You just have to ask. Eating is always one of our favorite things to do on vacation. However, eating at Universal Orlando can get quite expensive. We recommend packing snacks to enjoy in your hotel room and while at the parks. You can still spend the money on a butterbeer or special treat. However, you will save money on snacks while waiting in line or right before a meal. We also like to pack one suitcase filled with snacks for our trip. You can eat all the snacks during your vacation, and then you have an empty suitcase for your souvenirs for the trip home. Do you eat Linner in your family? This is actually a regular meal for the Jones family. This is a late lunch, early dinner, right around 3 to 4 p.m. Eating this late, you can combine your lunch and your dinner. This is such a great way to save money during your vacation. You're eating late so it can last you through dinner, but you're still paying lunch prices. What did you guys think of our money-saving tips here at Universal Orlando? If you have a money-saving tip, leave a comment below and share with everybody else. We'll see you next time. Keep on dreaming, and as Hunter says, love you all.
Hi, Homer! How are you? Are you doing good? Where's your beer? I don't see beer. Where'd your beer go? Don't know where it is.
Well, he has some.
I like donuts
Why
too.
put them over there so that way he wouldn't drink and drive. Not right now, Homer.
No donuts and beer for you.